It is the biggest issue parents, teachers, staff, and students are wrestling with: how to open schools safely. And now the state is stepping in with some guidance. The Department of Education announced the new recommendations today. Good afternoon, I'm Stacy Smith.
And I'm Kim Gable. Those guidelines are based on specific numbers to help schools when it comes to choosing a model for the fall. Nicole Ford is live in McKeesport with those new plans and has a reaction right now. Nicole.
Dr. Rachel Levine says that she was asked for new and more specific recommendations, and this is the tool that she's providing. Her recommendation is based on community transfer within a county, and it breaks down to two metrics: incident rate and percent positivity.
We are going to be working towards.
It's almost a daily occurrence. School boards are approving reopening plans across the region.
Items. I will adjourn the meeting this evening. Thank you very much, everybody.
Now, weeks out from the first day of school, the Department of Education is providing further guidance after school leaders have begged for answers.
It would have been nice to have this guidance 4 or 5 months ago, as we've struggled through this process kind of independently.
The new recommendations break down what instruction models schools should follow based on incident rate and percent positivity.
Recommendation is to look at the metrics that we're providing them to make a decision, and then they can continue to track along that metrics, to make subsequent decisions thereafter.
All counties in western Pennsylvania except Greene County fall under the moderate model. What that means is it is recommended for districts to provide blended or full remote learning. Now, Greene County falls under low for one metric, but moderate for the other. In order to fully reopen in a normal capacity, both metrics must be low.
I think they're clear. I think they're reasonable.
Most superintendents we spoke with today agree with Dr. Mark Holtzman, but the question they want to know is, what if the county's numbers change?
That's going to be very challenging to just shift gears, so you have to be prepared to have some kind of landmark dates and times on which you're going to consider those changes.
The state recommends districts monitor the numbers on a 2-week basis and make changes to the models per quarter. If there is an outbreak in a county, Dr. Rachel Levine says the state would step in with further guidelines. Now, there are 3 separate district meetings tonight on health and reopening safety plans. Now, the educators I spoke with say that they find these guidelines to be helpful and their current models do fit these new recommendations. We're live in McKeesport tonight. Nicole Ford, KDKA News.